Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video optitex 3D dummy fitting issue. So guys, all video continues, no skip. So guys, dummy fitting and fabric color change, pattern color change, stitch join, everything details this video. So guys, subscribe now my channel, everyday latest video upload. So first program open, this program 3D programs open. Next program, just view 3D windows, start program open. First work, all parts 3D load now. So guys, this pattern 3D load now. First back part 3D load now. So guys, percentage, so accurate percentage 40%. This back part already mentioned. Then next front part, so front part mentioned. So guys, curve, this percentage make. Then next part slip mention, curve now, so 70% curve. This video very helpful, subscribe now my channel, latest video upload, then notification on. So guys, next parts collar, neck bend upload, so all parts already upload. Okay, so guys, next program, this look now, your pattern half, so back part half, front part half, then sleeve full, so neck half, so sleeve pair. Then optitex 3D load now already. Okay, so this dummy, this pattern correct position make now. So left side, right side, up down, then correct make now. So fitting, good fitting, correct make. So guys, everything stitch joint, this stitch joint, first stitch joint, shoulder seam, back part, then next front part already stitch. Okay, so guys, shoulder joint. Okay, this pattern totally finished, no sewing allowance, just dummy fitting check. So shoulder joint okay, the dummy out look now. Okay, no discrepancy, accurate stitch. Okay, so next stitch joint, next work side seam joint, back part first, second, front part, just make. So guys, no skip video, skip on then confuse, the no confuse, continuous video. So side seam stitch joint okay, already okay. So look now, this stitch okay, next stitch joint. So guys, next parts joint, sleeve joint, then body, first back part joint, then second front part joint. So continuous video. So guys, first front part joint, already okay, one part okay. So next two part, then back part. So back part slip joint stitch running. So guys, my channel subscribe now. Everyday latest video uploading, then notification on. So full screen look now. This stitch okay due to neck stitch due. So next neck stitch make the dummy. So videos continue. Next slip in CM joint, next work in CM joint, click to here, left side click, then right side. So just position make. So click here, next part. This video description box already after video uploading this video description box after video uploading link, then click. So your video look now. So already okay. So guys, next work, this position correct now, this sleeve the dummy position correct, then fitting, good fitting. So guys, this video look me. This video is very helpful, so beginners person. So next work, neck bend joint. First stitch joint back part. So look now, back part joint. So back part already okay, back part joint okay, neck CM joint okay. So guys, next front part joint, neck joint. So here click here. So guys, neck click here, then okay, just simple. So continuous video, subscribe my channel, no skip to confuse, then no skip, sure. So guys, neck CM edge joint. Here to point, click, just okay. Then next work, 100% position make now or dummy. This dummy out stitch check now, accurate stitch. or non-accurate. Check now. So guys, this video share now, like now. So 100% position make now, dummy. This fitting good fitting. So no skip my video. Just position make now or dummy. This good position, good fitting. Position non-correct, fitting non-correct. Then good position make now, then good fitting show. So guys, this pattern color change. So fabric color just okay. Stitch make now, just minute wait. Stitch make now, already 3D work open. Stitch make already open. So guys, back part, front part, sleeve look now. Fitting issue, so good fitting. Some problem, then pattern correction, then okay, good fitting. This pattern make already measurement chart follow, then fitting check, fitting okay. So next work, the color, fabric color mention. So guys, front part fabric color mention, all parts fabric color mention. So this color, which color, any color, click, just open. This color look, just open. So guys, step color. So horizontal black color and white step. So very good color, good fitting. So all video look now. The next color look me. Try to next color. Any color, no problem. Any color use, no problem. Just okay. This color, not choice, not like. Your color not like the flower color. Then very good color, very good fitting, very good dummy. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Everyday latest video upload, the notification on. So welcome next video. This video already complete. So my dummy complete, 3D complete. So guys, this video close. Bye bye, tata. Next video, welcome.